Hi, my name is Nate McCullough. On behalf of Expert Village, in the following clips, we're going to talk about some of the common failures with your power antenna and how to remove and replace one. In this clip, we're going to talk about unconnecting the electrical components for our power antenna motor. You're going to have two connectors that you need to deal with on the factory antenna. The first one is the coaxial cable, which actually receives the radio frequency and sends it up to the radio. You just take and grab a hold of it and give it a twist and a pull, and that's how it disconnects right there. You have another connector, which is the power supply for your antenna. It will have some form of retaining clip. This is the one right here. You can hear it clicking as I actuate it, which holds the connector together as you go over bumps and things of that nature. So what you're going to do is disengage the clip and give it a tug. And that is the proper disassembly for the wiring portion of your power antenna.